Hello. I'll be discussing the ALMOND study, which is assessing longitudinal micropreemie outcomes in neonates at risk for renal disease. To give some background, you need to know about two studies, the PEANUT, which was preterm erythropoietin neuroprotection trial, and REPAIRED, which is recombinant erythropoietin for protection of infant renal disease. Listed here are some papers which were published out of these studies. Going into a little bit more detail on what PEANUT was. So this was a randomized control trial of the effect of erythropoietin on neurocognition. This included inborn patients born between 24 to 27, 6 by 7 weeks of gestation, less than 24 hours of age, and the other inclusion and exclusion criteria are as listed there. REPAIRED was an NIH-NIDDK sponsored ancillary study that tried to look at short and long-term kidney outcomes in these LGANs that were enrolled as part of PEANUT. So there were, as I mentioned, over 900 LGANs enrolled. Of those, they were randomized to receiving placebo or erythropoietin. And then we have 24-month follow-up data available for over 700 patients, which includes either blood pressure or blood samples or urine samples. Some of the data that are available include maternal characteristics, delivery and birth information, medications, blood pressure, lab values, and biomarkers in both blood and urine. The QR code here will take you to the case report forms on the NKC website. You need to be a member to access these forms. So if you're not already a member, I would recommend going ahead and signing up. So far, ALMOND has led to 3 publications. Acute kidney injury defined by fluid-corrected creatinine in premature neonates, caffeine and kidney function at 2 years, and the association of fluid balance with short and long-term respiratory outcomes. More papers are in progress. Some of these were presented as either oral or poster presentations at PAS 2023, at the Midwest SPR meeting, and a couple have been submitted as an abstract to PAS 2024. So how can you be involved with ALMOND? If you have an idea or a question that you want to ask using the ALMOND database, we can help you provide the additional support and a team to work with. So what we are asking for are investigator-initiated projects utilizing the PEANUT REPAIRED database. We have rolling deadlines for submission. The upcoming deadline is January 2024, January 2nd, 2024, and the next one will be April 1st, 2024. Our goal is to have the proposals reviewed and scored within about 4 to 5 weeks of the deadline, so you can have them analyzed in time for the meeting targets mentioned on this slide. What do you get from NKC here? So we can connect you with a writing group that has interest and knows the database well. You get statistical support from a team that is familiar with the data, and you also get mentorship and project overview by the NKC Research Committee. All proposals will be evaluated for scientific integrity, feasibility, scientific merit, and methodological rigor. Authorship plan is in accordance with NKC values, and they have to be decided prior to analysis. We encourage partnership between neonatologists or intensivists and pediatric nephrologists. The research committee will review all publications derived from the data, including abstracts and manuscript. And if there's an idea that was proposed but needs further time for development, it will be moved to the following quarter and will be presented later on. So next steps, go to babykidney.org and look up the CRF. Once again, the QR code will lead you there. Email me or my colleague Kara Slagle at our email addresses. We are the co-chairs for the Almond proposal, and we look forward to working with you all.